Okay, the next match the following, let us take up to match column 1 with column 2 contents. Now here they have given us different names of the drugs or the hormones, and what is it connected with is been given in the column B. Now let us see column A and B. Column A, chloramphenicol, thyroxine, chloroquine and chloroform. Column 2, malaria, anesthetic, typhoid fever, goiter and blood substituent. So these are the different options that have been given to us. First let us try to match. Chloramphenicol is a drug that is being used in the treatment of typhoid fever, and thyroxine is used to treat goiter. It's the hormone of the thyroid gland. Chloroquine is used in the treatment of malaria. Chloroquine, which is obtained from the bark of cinchona tree, is used in the treatment of malaria. And chloroform, it's not a blood substituent. It was earlier used as an anesthetic drug before doing the surgery. Okay, chloramphenicol is used in the treatment of typhoid fever, thyroxine in the treatment of goiter, chloroquine in the treatment of malaria, chloroform was used as an anesthetic drug earlier. So now let us see which one matches on the 4 options given. Chloramphenicol, 1 matches with C. So 1, 2, 3. The first 3 options are having 1 with C. So let us see. Thyroxine, 2 is with D. Okay. 1C, 2D. This matches. This is also having 2D, but 1 is not C. So probably first one will be the answer. Let us check the other 2. Chloroquine, malarial treatment. Okay, 3 is A correct there, and 4 is B. Okay, so here also, like the previous case, answer is option 1. Here also, like the previous case, the answer is option 1. Okay, so but remember these names. These details you will be getting in your second PUC chemistry NCERT textbook in the first paragraph of the haloalkanes and haloarenes chapter, which has been given as a general information or the introduction of what are the different uses of the different substances that is been obtained by the haloalkanes and haloarenes upon subjecting to different treatments. Okay.